The ROS2-based software architecture enables the integration and control of a wide range of robots and effectors, automation systems and AI tools, offering a fully adaptive and reconfigurable framework for robot manufacturing cells. Any robot supported by ROS2 can be seamlessly integrated within our system, ensuring a streamlined and uniform deployment process. With custom commands designed to intuitively operate the robot manipulator, every single robot arm is controlled exactly in the same way, regardless of the robot manufacturer or model. Our R3M framework offers a flexible and scalable platform for the simulation and control of robot arms using ROS2. By making it open source, we aim to foster collaboration and cooperation within the research community, pushing towards the innovation and advancement in intelligent robotics.